Everyone's ready, everyone's up. Here they are once again to set the stage on fire. Our hunks and babes of this third elimination round, and they're sexy and hot. Swim mo yan. Starting off with babe number 1, Eileen and Salvilla Reyes. Now we have hunk number 1, Fred Orpin. Number 3, Kurt Del Rosario. Let's all welcome back our Hunks and Babes in their hot excellent. Alam ko, busy kayo. Pero parinig naman ang palakpakan, may kasamang iyawan! Grabe, oh, grabe, daming fans, daming fans! Alright, so I have to catch my breath really quickly. So all the Hunks and Babes, you may now relax. Brother, alam mo, you know the drill? Chill lang, relax lang. Alright, sorry, inubos ko yung pagkain ko ng mabilis. I really have to do it really quickly. Alright, so while the judges are tabulating, I would like once again to go ahead our criteria for judging, starting off with physique and body proportion, 40%, personality and character, 30%, team presentation, 20%, audience impact, 10%. That is a total of 100%. Paalala lamang po, wala po tayong Summer Buddies Quest next week. Nagkita-kita mo ulit tayo on April 6th. Alright, that will be the Saturday after the next. And syempre, the winners will get to take home 2,000 pesos. And they will be posted there at pagkikita-kita kami sa Grand Finals. Para sa mga non-winners naman, they can take home 1,000 pesos. So syempre, yung experience na makasama kayong lahat at makita kayo, malaking bagay po yun sa ating mga Hunks at sa mga Babes. Okay. Alam ko, ilan sa inyo, alam mo na yung ginagawa. Alam niyo na yung gagawin ko. So, I'll get to interview you guys a little bit. Just share your name. Tapos, kung mayroon kayong any social media accounts that you want to share, like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, just look how many people are here. Makapag-follow lang sa inyo, probably half of this. Meron na kayong automatic 200 followers, instant followers, di ba? Or kung may businesses kayo, tulad ni Nanay, may paupahan, so kung gusto i-promote, kindly do so. And if you want to thank anyone in the crowd, your manager, kung may special person who's watching right now, sumusuporta sa inyo, now is the perfect time. Alright, I will start off with the Babes. Alright, so introduce nyo lang yung sarili nyo, kung may social media handles kayo, kung nag-vlog kayo, promote na natin. Alright, Babe number 1, take it away.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Dina Ansel Villa, 21 years old, from Pasig City. May Facebook po ako, Kailin Ann Salvilla, yun lang po. And Instagram, kailin.salvilla.
Alright, thank you so much. Babe number 1, so you can follow her on your social media pages. That's Catherine, Sabaw. Ano din? Kailin.salvilla. Makapanin po, kanina pa po akong magigising. Alright, and let's move on to babe number 2. Babe number 2, same question natin.
Hi, good evening po. I'm Andrea De La Rosa, 20 years old, from Pasig City. Pwede po niyong panoorin yung mga short film po at ibon po. Nila.
Alright, so we have an actress naman here. Saan natin mapapanood ang short film mo?
Sa FB lang po, YouTube and
Alright, you can just type in title ay T-Ball. Alright, T-Ball. You can catch her on T-Ball on Facebook and YouTube. Alright, and of course, babe number 3.
And so, good evening everyone. So, my name is Miles Alip and I'm really grateful to be here. It's actually my first time to be in this kind of event because I tend to join beauty pageant. It just really gives me that empowerment feeling, especially for those people who don't really appreciate their body. So, thank you so much for this kind of event. Thank you.
Alright, thank you so much. Galing, magsalita. Pwede rin future host, probably. And baka meron ka din social media handles. We have an actress, we have a Facebook page and Instagram account. Baka may gusto ka din i-share sa amin.
So, my Instagram will be Miles_Tiffany. Thank you.
Short but sweet, Miles_Tiffany. There we go. Alright, thank you so much. Palakpakan natin mga babes natin. Now we move on to our hawk, starting with, of course, hawk number 1. Mga dami mong fans dun eh, oh. Si hawk number 1, nagsisigawan talaga. Alright, hawk number 1, same question din sa mga babes natin.
Alright, good morning everyone. My name is Prince. I'm from Pampanga, 25 years old. I'm really grateful to be part of this event. And thank you so much po sa mga nanonood, sa mga audience ko natin dyan na tumatangkil sa ating Buddy's summer Buddy Quest moderate. So, my Facebook link po ako. You can just visit Prince Rayo Yoshiro po. Prince Rayo Ron Yoshiro po.
Medyo mahaba eh, brother. Prince Rayo Ron Yoshiro. Okay. Do you also do TikTok? Ganyan, meron, di ba? You also have, what's your TikTok account, brother?
Yoshiken_22 po.
Yoshi Ken_22. There we go. Alright, so hawk number 2. Ikaw naman.
CJSception, 25 years old from Manila. My Facebook is CJSception po.
Alright, brother, short and sweet. You can just follow him on his Facebook and Instagram account as CJSception. Okay, and last but not least, Brother Kurt. Ayan.
Hello, Isidano. Miss Kurt de Los Santos po, Tondo, Manila. Sa mga social media pala, Kurt de Los Santos. Ilan po. Mga salamat. Kurt de Los Santos.
Very fancy Kurt dito eh. Oh, grabe. Alright. So mukhang ready na nata ang tabulations natin. Babes and house, congratulations to you guys. And here in my hands right now are our winners. Maraming salamat sa ating resident final judges, Ms. Jen Kobe Menacio. Palakpakan po natin. At syempre, Mr. Corlo Martin and Sir Jonathan Alegre. Can you join me here on stage po to award our winners? Once I call in your name, can you proceed in the middle? And I'll see you guys again on the grand finals. It is truly a feat kasi mahirap pa pagdating ng Grand Finals. Ang haba pa nun eh, June pa yun. So, it is a challenge. Good luck guys and girls. Simulan ko lang sa babe, sabi ni Analu. Alright. So, congratulations to this babe. You are moving on to the Grand Finals and you are babe number 1, Kailin Reyes. Congratulations, Kailin. And I'm here on my favorite spot. Joining Kailin, we're moving on to the Grand Finals. Is hawk number 3, Kurt Del Rosario. like to say to the other house, maraming salamat, CJ and Prince. Fortunately, you're not moving on to the grand finals. But still, mga po natin sila. Ladies and gentlemen, they give a good effort. Thank you so much, guys. But meron pa tayong babe na mag-move on to the grand finals. And she is babe number 2, Andrea De La Rosa. Hindi ko na ba natagalin pa to? Looks like we have a clean sweep with the babes. Moving on to the grand final, she is babe number 3, Stephanie Kaalif. Alright, ladies and gentlemen,